Top 10 Breast Cancer Research Topics. From breast cancer to Zika virus, nursing issues. This essay could cover challenges a nurse might encounter when dealing with various diseases. We suggest focusing on nursing care for patients with the Zika virus and breast cancer. Discuss challenges related to diagnosis, treatment, and emotional support of patients with these medical conditions. Breast cancer, disease screening and diagnosis. In this essay, you can talk about the essential elements of breast cancer screening. Elaborate on the process of mammography, biomarker testing, and other screening methods. Make sure to demonstrate the importance of the procedures for early diagnosis and intervention. Music therapy effects for breast cancer patients. Music therapy is a highly effective complementary approach for breast cancer patients. What makes it so beneficial? Find out in your paper. Look into various applications of music therapy and study research demonstrating its positive effects. Focus on psychological as well as physiological benefits. Breast cancer inheritance biophysical factors. This research paper can look into various genetic factors that contribute to the development of breast cancer. One important aspect to focus on is mutations in the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. Additionally, explore factors related to family history and hormones. How does their interaction with environmental factors lead to a higher risk for breast cancer? Factors influencing breast cancer screening in low-income African Americans in Tennessee. Breast cancer screening plays a key role in early intervention. However, some demographics are reluctant when it comes to screening. Your research paper can explore reasons why this happens. For example, you can study low-income African American women in Tennessee and determine what challenges prevent them from getting cancer screening. Care of breast cancer-related lymphedema. Lymphedema is a condition that often occurs in patients getting breast cancer treatment. In your paper, look into various reasons why patients develop lymphedema and its consequences for their well-being. Further, suggest the most effective approaches to treating this condition. Multicausality, Reserpine, breast cancer, and obesity. The interaction of multiple factors is among the most frequent causes of breast cancer. You can study one of such cases of multicausality, the use of Reserpine and its contribution to breast cancer and obesity. Examine the historical use of Reserpine and its effect on the human body. Which of them may lead to the development of complex medical conditions? Post-operative breast cancer patients with depression. Depression is a widespread problem among breast cancer patients after undergoing surgery. To treat this condition successfully, healthcare professionals should understand what causes it. Look into how the surgery and the overall cancer journey impact patients mentally and physically. Also, explore potential risk factors such as the history of mental health issues. Health and medicine, breast cancer in the 19th century. Today, we have plenty of tools and technology for treating cancer effectively. But what was the situation like in the 1800s? Your paper can provide insight into medical knowledge regarding breast cancer during that time. What were the available treatment options? What about palliative care? Antiperspirants and breast cancer. Here, you can explore the possible connection between antiperspirant use and the risk of developing breast cancer. The reason for that is the presence of aluminum in antiperspirants that can affect breast tissue. Look into research conducted on this topic and make a conclusion about the danger of using aluminum in cosmetic products. Find more research topics on studycorgi.com.